Question 3B. Question 3B required that the candidate should discuss 3 benefits of knowledge management. Discuss 3 benefits of knowledge management. Discuss 3 benefits of knowledge management. 6 marks. 6 marks. Now, what are some of the benefits of knowledge management? In an organizational setting, or generally in terms of knowledge management, how can organizations benefit? Now, when organizations share knowledge, it helps in hastening decision making. For instance, if an organization has a database in relation to the rules, regulations, and manuals, whenever a worker wants to do something, the worker would refer to that manual and make a decision without having to consult people. In so doing, decision-making process may be hastened and time is saved and resources can also be saved. Secondly, another benefit of knowledge sharing within an organization or knowledge management is that previous mistakes can be avoided. Where there was a previous mistake within an organization and it was documented and this information was shared among people who work within that particular setting, it will be critical that that kind of a mistake should not be repeated, because the knowledge has been shared that if X is done, then Y will be the outcome. And in so doing, an organization can be able to avoid mistakes that have been previously done, and in the future, such mistakes are not repeated for the benefit of the organization. Thirdly, the other benefit of knowledge management within an organization is that the organization can use the knowledge as a competitive advantage. An organization can use the knowledge as a competitive advantage in its markets. Such that when knowledge is managed and contained within the organization, secrets are not leaked from to the outside competitors, then the organization can enjoy a sustained competitive advantage in the market in which it operates with its competitors. And this can be adduced to the knowledge management sharing processes. And because in modern times we are operating in the knowledge age, then organizations will compete on the basis of how they manage knowledge, and not only manage the knowledge but also use it to their advantage. So these are examples of 3 benefits that may accrue to an organization from the process of knowledge sharing.